name's Aaron Darlow. I work for Philadelphia Scientific. We make products to improve the use of industrial batteries. It's a real honour. Well, doubly so because I've got both Innovator and Unsung Hero. But the fact the company thought I was good enough to be put forward and be part of the top 100, and the sort of judges of peers agreed. Yeah, it's a real confidence boost. I think so. I always try to focus on people when I'm designing, the people making the products, the people using the products, and try to do it so it's the sort of best experience for both of them. So you end up with a sort of a good process, sort of happy manufacturing team and production team, and a sort of product the user sort of really likes to have. I think manufacturing's always been a good fit for me, because even when I was young, I sort of made go-karts from scrap parts or kites from Garland supplies. I love being in manufacturing because all the opportunities to learn, the sort of challenges to sort of overcome and get rewards from, and the experiences which I had so many which wouldn't have had in any other industry. There's too many people to name. I wore all the dry because I probably missed someone. That's the great thing with manufacturing. So many people offer their sort of time, their skill and their knowledge just to help you out. For me, the biggest challenge is more a personal one. It's always trying to sort of develop myself and improve and learn. I think the best way to do it is surround yourself by sort of good people and in good environments. For instance, the company I'm at now, they allow me time out of each working week to attend a sort of Japanese tuition course, even though it has no direct benefit to the company. They just sort of invested in me as a whole. So yeah, that's brilliant. So we've really sort of driven efficiency of both sort of purchasing process and sort of the stock we do. We've used automation to remove a lot of the kind of repetitive, tedious or low skill jobs, and we've really sort of invested in training the sort of especially the production staff. So now we're sort of producing more with the same sort of fantastic production team, who are sort of happier as well. So yeah, just go for it. Follow your passion. There's going to be an area you love, a company you love, a product you love, or you'll be able to find something you really kind of enjoy doing every day, because there's such a range of roles within manufacturing.